Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. My dear friends, in today's video I am going to share beautiful crochet cardigan designs with all of you, and I'm sure all of my friends and my viewers are going to love these designs and ideas. My dear friends, it's my request, if you are liking my video and enjoying the content, please hit like, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. So here on your screens, my dear friends, are so many beautiful cardigan design ideas that are surely going to help you if you are wishing to make your own cardigan by yourself, and if you are going to buy whatever you like, you must know the beautiful, trendy, and latest ideas and actually the designs that are in trend nowadays. Because while going to buy something or while we are trying to do something or make something new, we must know about the latest designs and fashion trends of the relevant age so that we may not get the things that are outdated. On your screens there are so many cardigan designs. For example, this one is looking so very beautiful, and it is also comfortable, because whenever we talk about crochet, it means that crochet is simply comfort. So if you want to wear those things that are super comfortable and lovely as well as stylish and giving you a unique and trendy look, then crochet is the best option. And if you are a person who has plenty of time to spend at home, then even you can use your free time to create such beautiful cardigan pieces for yourselves, for your children, for your grandbabies, and even if you want to gift these to someone, even these are so beautiful to gift someone, and I am sure to whom you gift these things, that person must be so happy to get these things by you, because when we do hard work, it obviously pays off at the end. It gives so much delight when you start crocheting something and then it completes and you get a final look of that piece. You must feel so delighted. I'm sure you must have experienced this pleasure and delight and that kind of inner happiness. On your screens there are so many beautiful designs. For example, this one is simple but as well as it is elegant, because simplicity is just beautiful. Everything that is simple is so cute and so beautiful, and this one is having flowers on it and giving a different look to that lady who is wearing. It is quite unique, and whoever wears it will make it so unique. This one is also so cute. It's one of my personal favorite designs to wear cardigan. If I'm sometime I in near future I go to make or crochet some pieces, I would definitely consider so many designs from these collections. And look at this one is simple but having a very beautiful wavy pattern, and this is also so cute. Look at this one. This is having layers of different colors, and the lady who is wearing is looking so stylish to wear this cardigan. This in the light color of white, I think it's looking so cute. You can see the elegance of this cardigan, because these things are never outdated. These are always in trend and always in fashion, and whoever wears these things looks so pretty and so beautiful. Here is another dark color, and this one is also so beautiful. You can see how beautiful it looks. Even there is no ornamentation and no other decorations, but with simple black suit it is looking so beautiful. So there is a tip that if you want to look so stylish and add some kind of ornamentation or a different kind of beauty to your style and to your dressing, it does not at all mean that you need to ornament the things in a different way, or to add something else, something very high budgeted things. It doesn't mean that you need to go for the designer dresses or so on. The only thing you need, you can go for a cardigan. For example, you are wearing a white shirt and then you must go for a colorful cardigan, and believe me, it would make your entire look change, and you would yourself be surprised to see what comes out after that, and people would definitely be admiring you after seeing these. So if you are getting ideas about crocheting, if you want to crochet, if you are a crochet crazy person, then you can choose any designs or few designs from this video and make your own cardigans. And even if you want to buy, even then you must have a knowledge of the styles. And if you are just having ideas about color schemes, then even this video is going to be helpful for you. For example, you can see there are so many designs. It's a variety of designs to give you an entire overlook about the current latest fashion trends and so on. This maroon one is always stylish, and maroon colors are so pretty, and every shade of maroon is so pretty, and most of the women just love maroon, and I am among those women who are in love with maroon. It's doesn't matter that if I am buying shoes or purse or any dress or something else, whenever I see maroon color I just go for it because it looks so stylish. And here is a black one in front of you. Black is romantic color and it is loved by a majority of people, either boys or girls, male or female. Everyone loves black because this color actually has some kind of elegance, a different kind of beauty, and I believe that all the solid colors are actually so beautiful and so trendy. If you wear these, you look so simple but so elegant, and simplicity and elegance actually are the things that go together. This one is also looking cute, and its pattern is actually giving you a hint that if you wear it with a kind of a plain shirt and its designs is like a net one, so your dress color would be prominent from the lower side of your shirt or cardigan. And this one is also so cute with a jeans. So here you get an idea that you can wear these simply easily with your jeans, and I'm in just love with this look because it is looking so cute. This cardigan is making this lady look super stylish and elegant, and I believe